Welcome to our guide on the top 5 best portable workbenches. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tradesperson, having a reliable workbench can make all the difference in your projects. You can find all the links to purchase these products at the most competitive prices in the description box below. Keep in mind that the products mentioned here are not ranked in any particular order, so make sure to watch till the end to catch all the details. Let's dive in. Number 5. Works Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. The Works Pegasus is a versatile workbench suited for DIYers and professionals alike. Constructed from high-grade plastic with lockable legs, it offers adjustable functionality and can support up to 300 pounds in work table mode. Integrated quick clamps and holding clamps provide ample clamping power for large lumber pieces. Transforming into a sawhorse with a 1,000-pound capacity, the Pegasus features a small storage area underneath for supplies or a power strip. Despite its sturdy build, it remains portable, folding down to just 5 inches thick and weighing 30 pounds, making it easy to transport. The assembly-free design, along with intuitive sliding latches securing the wings, ensures effortless setup and breakdown. Built-in clamps and bench dogs add to its convenience, while the ability to link with other works tables expands workspace options. Transitioning to a sawhorse is straightforward, although a carrying handle would enhance portability. Overall, the Works Pegasus stands out as a durable, versatile, and user-friendly workbench solution. Number 4. Cited JobMade Portable Workbench and Mitre Saw Table. The JobMade workbench from Cited is a portable solution offering both sturdiness and lightweight convenience. With integrated locks for its legs and built-in tool storage, it's designed for ease of use. Featuring an integrated clamping system with 4 separate clamps, it securely holds materials in place for various tasks like cutting, drilling, hammering, or assembling projects. The workbench surface is equipped with 2 metal rails that accommodate 2-inch bar clamps, facilitating easy workpiece clamping. Additionally, built-in leg stabilizers ensure the table stays level and steady during use. Constructed with durable resin for the worktop and sturdy aluminum legs, this workbench boasts an impressive 1,000-pound capacity. It also includes a tool organizer for added convenience. Furthermore, its lightweight design allows it to collapse into a briefcase shape with a handle for easy transportation. Users found the Cited JobMade portable workbench simple and efficient to use. Its smart, space-saving design allows the legs to snap up inside the table, securely locking in place for hassle-free carrying. The built-in storage box adds convenience, while the secure table clamps received praise for their ability to hold items firmly in place. However, some users noted that using squeeze clamps on workpieces could be beneficial. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Workmate Portable Workbench. The Black & Decker Workmate Portable Workbench stands out as a versatile option suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, thanks to its large vise capable of handling various shapes and sizes. Having been a staple in workshops since the 1970s, the Black & Decker Workmate maintains much of its original design, including its foldable metal frame and wide-set legs, ensuring a stable base. The hardwood work surface doubles as a spacious vise, equipped to grip scissorable pieces with its rotating pegs and dual handle controls, accommodating irregular shaped objects. Featuring 2 height positions on its bench top, this workbench caters to a range of projects. Its robust, heavy-gauge steel frame supports a maximum weight of 350 pounds, while rubber feet provide stability during use. Despite its sturdy construction, this portable unit weighs a mere 15 pounds and folds flat for effortless transportation. Although assembly proved challenging and some components are plastic, the Black & Decker Workmate impressed once assembled. Its built-in jaws offer secure grip, and its lightweight design at just 14 pounds adds to its appeal. While it may not be the most durable option available, its affordability makes it a compelling choice for many users. Number 2. Works WX066 Sidekick Portable Work Table. The Works Sidekick, a portable workbench, weighs a mere 12.6 pounds, making it effortlessly transportable between workshops, yards, or work sites. Its high-grade yet lightweight plastic benchtop withstands heavy use, while steel metal legs with rubber feet ensure a stable, non-slip base capable of supporting up to 300 pounds. The benchtop features 4 pegs for easy clamping and moulded guides for precise measurements. Additionally, 2 side kicks can be linked together to form a larger table or connected to Works' larger Pegasus portable workbench. In our testing, the Works Sidekick quickly became a favourite. Despite its unique 2-piece design of legs and work surface, it was easy to set up and offered excellent stability. The work surface is equipped with measurements and references, enhancing workflow efficiency. The ability to connect to other works tables and the inclusion of high-quality bench dogs were additional highlights. However, it's worth noting that this model does not come with or accommodate squeeze clamps. Number 1. Key folding table workbench. When it comes to heavy-duty tasks, having a workbench that can withstand the demands of a professional job site while remaining lightweight for portability is essential. The portable workbench from Keda fits the bill perfectly, weighing just 27 pounds, yet boasting an impressive 1,000 pound weight capacity, ideal for professional use. Constructed with heavy-duty resin and aluminum legs, this sturdy workbench offers ample strength for rigorous tasks. Equipped with 2 12-inch clamps, it provides a secure hold for materials on its spacious 33-inch by 22-inch worktop. After completing the job, it conveniently folds into a flat 4.5-inch thick suitcase shape with an ergonomic handle for easy transportation. We've been using this workbench extensively, from holding camera gear to serving as a saw stand, and it has exceeded expectations. Despite its heavy-duty capacity, it's remarkably easy to set up, with stowaway legs for added convenience. Despite lacking non-slip feet, it remains rock-solid during use. However, there's room for improvement in the smoothness of the clamp guides, which could be more user-friendly. And there you have the top 5 best portable workbenches to revolutionize your projects. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, reviews, and guides to elevate your craftsmanship. Until next time, happy building!